Children, the present age may be considered as the economic age. We are living in economic age where we are bothered about our look. We want to look smart. At the same time, we want to be wealthy also. Healthy and wealthy. We want to have all the facilities. We want to have all the expensive things with us. And what is the requirement of that? Why do we need all expensive things? To satisfy ourselves? Yes, to satisfy ourselves and to impress others. Yes, we need expensive things to impress others. We want to show that we are better than them. Yes, we want to show that we are better than them by showing them our expensive things. If someone is very good at mathematics and you are having Audi car, then do you think you will become better than that person? No. Only money is not a thing which makes you special. When you will have feeling of love for the others, when you will have feeling of care, you will think that others do have right to live and enjoy their lives. You will not become that obstacle in the path of happiness of others. You will not feel jealous after seeing someone happy. Then you will become a true human. Expensive things, they may have social values. They may have economic importance, but emotions, the love of your mother, love of your father, care of your sister, and the strength of your brother, these things are the special things which are above everything. The love and care which we get from the family, from the friends, from the relatives, that is uncomparable. You cannot compare these emotions with any other thing. You cannot purchase these things, you cannot get these things by money. Can you purchase emotions? Can you purchase love? No. Feelings are in the heart and mind of human beings. Love for animals, love for plants, love for each and every living thing, that gives us a special type of joy. It gives us happiness. Not only living things, I know many people who love the non-living things also. They love mountains, they love rivers, they love other natural features. They love each and every creation of Almighty. Today our topic is about the expensive things in the world. We will talk about some of the expensive things which we have in the world, in the present world. Now let us see most expensive things in the world. We are talking about Earth only. It might be that there is life in other planet and there some more expensive things are there, or the planet is still in the old age. One of the most expensive cars, it might be that when I am telling you this thing, the other more expensive car has been manufactured. So one of the most expensive cars, that is Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg is one of the most expensive cars. What is the name? Koenigsegg. One of the most expensive smartphones. Now, I have never heard the name of this car, and I think for the first time you have also heard this name. Okay. One of the most expensive smartphones. This is for them who used to say that Apple is the most expensive brand. What is that? It's Falcon Supernova Diamond iPhone 6 Pink. Okay, that is Falcon Supernova Diamond iPhone 6 Pink. This is one of the most expensive smartphones. After that, one of the most expensive bikes. Okay, that is Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson, that is one of the most expensive bikes. See, these are the expensive things. You can get these things by money, but you cannot get love, affection and care. You cannot get intelligence with money. Okay, so you have to decide what is an expensive thing for you. Now after that we have one of the most expensive watches. Okay, that is biggest grenade complication Maria Antoinette. Okay, should I spell that again? See, that is the most expensive, one of the most expensive watches. Name is so lengthy. The name is Biggest Grenade Complication Marie Antoinette. After that, most expensive homes. If someone will ask to me that which is the most expensive home for you, I will say it's my home. But in regards, which is the most expensive homes? That is Antilia. Antilia. After that, one of the most expensive chessboard. That is Jewel Royal. One of the most expensive fighter plane. It's B-2 Spirit. After that, most expensive dimensive thing, but here on records, the Oppenheimer Blue is the most expensive diamond. So this is about expensive things in the world. Children, expensive things, they are only to attract the people. Some of us run after these expensive things. We get that also, but we do not get peace of mind. Peace of mind is important, and peace of mind you will get after doing good deeds. If you will work hard and after that you will gain something, if you will use the cheap things also, that will be the best and expensive things of the world. So it depends on our thinking, it depends on our opinion that which things have value for us. For me, expensive things do not have any value. Love, affection, care, and being a good human being, that costs a lot for me. So I also suggest you to be a good human being and become a person who can love the society, who can help the society, who can care the society in all the ways, and may write his or her name in the history in the golden words.